Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Saatva Graphite Memory Foam Mattress Topper. If you're looking to enhance your sleep experience, stick around because we'll cover everything you need to know about this product. The Saatva Graphite Memory Foam Mattress Topper is designed to provide a medium firm feel, catering to all sleep styles. It's crafted with 3 inches of CertiPure US certified memory foam infused with graphite for enhanced cooling properties. The topper also features an organic cotton cover treated with antimicrobial properties. In terms of comfort, I found the topper to offer a supportive yet cozy sleep surface. It's particularly beneficial for those who prefer medium firmness, whether you sleep on your back, stomach, or side. The memory foam does a commendable job in isolating motion, which is great if you share your bed. Now, one of the highlighted features of this topper is its supposed cooling properties due to the graphite infusion and breathable cover. However, in my experience, it didn't quite live up to the expectation of keeping cool throughout the night. This might be a consideration if you tend to sleep hot. The topper stands out with its quality materials memory foam for support and graphite for purported cooling benefits. The organic cotton cover adds a touch of luxury and contributes to breathability. It's worth noting that the topper is spot clean only, which could be a slight inconvenience for some users. I also want to touch on the unboxing experience. The topper arrives vacuum packed and rolled, which makes handling easier. However, the packaging could be more secure, as some users reported issues with packaging integrity upon arrival. To wrap it up, the Saatva Graphite Memory Foam Mattress Topper excels in providing medium firm support and motion isolation, making it suitable for various sleep styles. However, its cooling performance may not meet expectations, especially for hot sleepers. Considering its price point and features, it's a solid choice if you prioritize comfort and motion isolation over cooling properties. If you're looking to enhance the firmness and comfort of your mattress without sacrificing motion isolation, this topper is a good fit. However, if temperature regulation is a top concern for you, especially if you tend to sleep hot, you might want to explore other options. That concludes our review of the Saatva Graphite Memory Foam Mattress Topper. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.